Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. All right, so we have another unit from XrsBeauty. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what we got. Looks like a curly hair unit. All right, so it came with a wide tooth comb. It has a duo comb and brush for those edges, friend. An extra elastic band, so if your hair is a little bit larger, you need a little bit more band. Here you go, or to replace a band. Wig cap, which we're probably going to use that today. And then, of course, some foam rollers. So they're really good at packing these, and we love these around here. So let's go ahead and take the hair out and see what it looks like. All right, so it's not too many companies where I would actually take a lace unit out the bag and put it on, but this is one of them that I have no problem doing that. This is an 18-inch lace unit, and it's 200% density. It has the clear lace, the new clear lace that we talked about before, except for it's a different style of hair. All right, so this is what the lace looks like. So you can see this up close in the edge line. Already pre-plucked and ready to go, honey. So this is full lace from ear to ear. Also has lace at the back, so if you want to adhere at the back so you can put your hair up in a ponytail, that would be perfect as well. All right, so it has two combs, one on either side. It has one at the top and then one at the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and fit this unit on. Let's see what it looks like. I always have to adjust the bands in the back because my head is quite small. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Slide this on. Let's see what it looks like before we even cut lace to see, what the lace looks like against my skin. All right, so I want to give you a close-up of what this unit looks like with this lace. I already have some wispies already like trimmed around the edge line. The actual plucking looks really good on the edge line. Yeah, so this is the new clear lace, and like I said, it comes all the way down with your ear tabs on both sides. And we're just gonna cut this lace and apply it. So we're just gonna cut it, put it on, and see what it looks like before we even glue it down so that you can see. And then we'll throw a little water and mousse on it and go from there, because it really doesn't need anything. It's just some tight, coily, curly hair. All right, so this is the close-up of the lace. This is without me gluing it down. This is me moving my wig cap back. This unit actually is a slight bigger on the side, so I'm gonna have to cut, or do I have to move it? Yeah, I just have to cut a little bit on the ear tabs over here, but look how good this lace looks though, like with my skin tone. It's crazy. All right, so they do have some lace for me to show you, and it's the clear lace and the transparent lace, so that you can see the difference in the lace. So this is on my skin. This is the clear lace. I want you to see what it looks like on my skin. And then this is the transparent lace. This one's a little bit more grayer. I mean, of course, it's not the clear lace. So this is the new lace that they are bringing out with their units. I think it's perfect. I think it goes well with most skin tones because it's clear. It's not really a color, right? Because the other one's transparent. So it's more like, even on my lighter skin, right? Like even here, right? And then even here. So it's crazy. I wonder what it looks like on my arm. Yeah, and then even here. So I just showed you 3 different tones of skin, and yeah, this is what the lace looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this unit down, cut these ear tabs, because I think that I have, yeah, I think because otherwise it'll bust. Yeah, I need to cut a little bit off on the sides because my head isn't as large. And then we're going to spray and style this, and then show you what it looks like in daylight once we get this on. All right, so as usual, I just used the Got To Be glue, and I'm going to just go ahead and dry this on. All right, so I think that's better. I just cut a little bit of lace off the front hairline, just a little bit. All right, so I wanted to show you what it looks like in its natural state, like just throwing on a unit, and like if you are into like the tight, coily, kinky, curly hair. So I end up cutting the size so it would fit my ear tabs properly. So that alone is there's hair coming out. It's not a lot, it's just a little bit. So yeah. Now once I get back here, I'll check and see if it does any shedding or anything back here, because I didn't cut anything back there. I just cut around this line, my forehead or whatever. Girl, I'm so obsessed with like hair like this. When I see people with hair like this, I'm like, oh my God, it's beautiful. Once again, XRS Beauty, everything will be linked down below. So let's go ahead and, I don't know, I feel like I want to wet her and do something. I don't know, I feel like it. I just feel like it, so just give me a moment. All right, y'all, so this is my final look of this unit, friend. Beautiful unit. I will put some pictures here of what it looks like outside in daylight, of course. Love the lace. Clear lace is always a thing for me. Y'all know XRS Beauty is always a go and a plus for me. This hair, 18 inches, 200% density. It doesn't feel extremely heavy or anything, but it does feel full. So I do like that. I do like the length of the hair as well. I like the texture, the color, all that. Love the pre-plucking and love this parting space, which is amazing. So if you want a deep part, it will go way back here. This is where the next level of like width of hair starts. And then, of course, the parting space on the side is amazing, too. So, you can definitely do side part, middle parts, deep parts, whatever, girl. Okay, with this type of hair, you can definitely comb it out if you want and make it bigger. So, if you ran a comb through it, it would fluff out more, be more fuller and, you know, almost like diva cut style, like big. I'm just going to leave it like this, have a lot of errands to run. I don't know how big it's going to get on its own, even though I did add the mousse and a little bit of oil change to kind of weigh it down a little bit. I like it the way it looks. I think it's really nice, cute, kinky, curly. Looks really natural. Like, it's the clear lace. I'm telling y'all. If you're interested in this unit, I will put the link down below for this particular unit. If you're interested in just any unit with any clear lace thread, wavy hair, curly hair, kinky hair, straight hair, short hair, long hair, please go over to XRS Beauty and check them out, because they have so many units on their site that are bomb. Okay? And that's it for me. That's all. I just wanted to show y'all these pictures of me outside once again, so you can see this unit with this color. It is a natural brown color, like I said. And this can be stretched. So if you want to stretch your unit, you can definitely stretch it. Just probably wet it and use the diffuser to blow it out. But like I said, I just want to leave it like this. I like it in this style right here. It looks just like naturally fun, curly, kinky, big, fluffy goodness. Okay, sexy hair. I'm just saying, friend, it's your fall and winter. You want to keep your head warm during the winter. This is her. If you have ordered from XRS Beauty before, please let me know. I want to know your thoughts on the unit. Like, fresh out the pack, what does it look like to you? And then once you've washed it and used it, and washed it and worn it, how is it wearing? Because a lot of my units I have for XRS Beauty, I still have. Like, I don't really get rid of those. If you notice, I like to keep those units and rewear those units. So, really nice, good quality hair, too. We're not going to just talk about the lace. We're going to talk about the hair. The hair is really good quality, too. So, I'm looking forward to seeing how this wears today. If it gets bigger, if it starts shedding, or whatever. I don't think I really would have any shedding from here, except for around the edge line where I cut. I kind of like rake that through with my fingers. And yeah, don't use a comb on this unit unless you just want it to be bigger. Just use your fingers and kind of rake through. And like I said, if you want to make it a little bit bigger and longer and extend the curls, go ahead and wet them and diffuse them, and it'll just make the curls even bigger. But I like it just the way it is. So let me know your thoughts on this unit. And yeah, that's it for you. front, side, and back. It's all just lovely hair. I probably will. Let me just show you what it looks like if I comb out one section. I figure I can come out one section, at least show you what it looks like, and then I can always wet it and put more mousse on it if I want to like scrunch it back up. But I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like if I just do it like this. So it'll look a little bit more frizzy, and see how it just poofs out just even more. Just using a comb, but not just combing through, just taking sections to kind of like comb through like this, and it'll just start fluffing. Yeah, it'll just fluff more and more and more. See, just that simple. Or you can do like when you have like a section like this, you just take the section with your fingers, separate the sections. I know I was going to do that. Separate the sections, and then that'll also fluff the curl too. So it's up to you how you want to fluff your curl, or if you want to keep the curl in its natural like curl pattern and keep it as is. But now I have to fluff a little bit more because I can't have the front fluffed and not the back. All right. Oh yeah, this is cute, girl. This is so freaking cute. So for me, I would probably do like the diva cut. I would kind of like, y'all know me, chop, 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 like this. But it's cute just the way it is. So I just wanted to show that to you, just in case someone was like, well, I want to see it fluffed out. That way I can, you know, appease everyone. But yeah, I'm just gonna wet it again and put more mousse on it, but before I leave. But anyway, so that's it for me. Thank you all for hanging out with me today. I appreciate you, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace and blessings.